Welcome to our channel where today we guide you through the easiest way to activate your CitiBank debit card and start using it right away. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through the simplest and most efficient way to activate your CitiBank debit card. If you just received your CitiBank debit card, activating it is essential before you can start shopping or withdrawing money. Let's dive into the step-by-step process that ensures you're ready to access your funds without any hassle. First, locate the activation materials that came with your card. This usually includes an activation sticker or an instruction card with a phone number or website details. The most common way to activate your CitiBank debit card is through phone activation. Simply call the CitiBank activation number printed on the sticker or card. Once connected, you will be prompted to enter your card number, expiration date, and security code to verify your identity. Follow the automated voice prompts to complete activation. Don't worry, this process is quick, secure, and confidential. Another convenient method is to activate your card online. Visit CitiBank's official website and navigate to the debit card activation page. You will need to enter your card information along with personal identification details. After submitting this information, you will receive confirmation that your card is activated and ready to use digitally or physically. For those who prefer in-person activation, you can visit any CitiBank branch. A bank representative can assist you in verifying your identity and activating your debit card immediately. Remember, keeping your PIN secure is just as important as activating your card. If you haven't set a PIN during activation, be sure to create one promptly for secure transactions and ATM usage. Finally, test your card with a small transaction or ATM withdrawal to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, reach out to CitiBank customer service for prompt support. Activating your CitiBank debit card is a simple process whether by phone, online, or at a branch. This activation step unlocks convenient access to your funds and digital banking services, empowering you to manage your finances with ease. Don't forget to keep your card and personal information secure at all times. Thank you for watching this detailed guide on activating your CitiBank debit card. Stay tuned for more practical tips and helpful tutorials from our channel.